Alright, OnePlus 7 Pro fans, give me a stone cold hell yeah if you own a OnePlus 7 Pro.
Give me a hell yeah!
I'm making this video for you guys. You probably got this phone, you probably got the case in the box, but I'm going to show you some other options that are out there. Let's go. So first off, we got this one from Love Cases, and this is a really thin gel case, and it's really for the ladies. It's got this kind of animal print on the back. It's kind of like a leopard print. Let's have a look what it looks like when it's on the phone. You can see that animal print. It's quite a thin case. It's going to keep the profile of the phone very, very slim, although it's going to protect it if you do drop it on any of the edges. Although that curved edge on the front slightly exposed if it lands that way down. Of course, you might want to consider a screen protector. We're going to look at some of those in a minute as well. So let's move on to the next one. So this is another animal print case, another silicone gel case from Love Cases. You can see it's kind of like the Dalmatian dots on the back there, or leopard spots. So once again, this is pretty much identical to the other one I just showed you. Very, very slim profile. You got the sort of polka dots on the back. Not really my style, but some of you ladies out there might like this. If you do want to check it out, there'll be links below this video. Let's move on to the next one. So this is a classic case from Elixir. It's kind of got this tire tracks across the back of it. This is really for you guys that want to step up the safety of your phone a bit more than normal. So if you're working on a building site or somewhere where your phone gets smashed around a lot, this is the kind of case you want to look at. And on top of that, on the back of this case, you've got the kickstand as well. I just cut my nails, so I'm going to find it hard to get this kickstand out, but you can prop your phone up and watch movies and stuff like this with that kickstand on the back. Let's see how it looks with the phone inside. So there we go, the phone's in the case, very grippy, nice textures down the side here. They've actually improved this design a bit since I last saw one of these. Very, very durable. You're not going to drop that. It's got a good amount of grip. Let's see how the selfie cam works. All good, works perfectly. Good stuff. If you want to check this one out, it's called the Armadillo case from Elixir. Awesome case. Alright, this is a combination screen glass protector and a case in one, and it's called the Sentinel. Let's have a look at this. I've seen some of these before for other phones, and these are actually really nice, a good combo. So of course it comes with the user manuals. And here's the screen glass, and you can see it's got this black edge all the way around the outside, and it curves as well, so it should fit edge to edge and work perfectly in combination with this case. Alright, so this is the Sentinel. I haven't put the glass on properly. I just wanted to see how it lines up with the edges of the phone, and it actually lines up really nicely and protects those rounded corners. So if you do drop it on the front, you've got that glass there, and there's really no exposed seams when you use this little setup. So let's have a look at the back of this. Really nice strips down the back here, carbon fiber, really nice design. Then you've got this kind of brushed metal feel. I actually really like the look of this one. So far this is my favorite. That is the Sentinel case from Elixir. Alright, check this one out. This one looks cool. This is the Elixir Attach OnePlus Pro leather case. And this one looks really cool. I've not seen one of these before. Let's get this thing out of the box. Here it is, and I must admit, this looks like genuine leather. And it's quite flexible as well. I thought it'd be a bit more solid than that, but that's actually a good thing. Let's try this thing on. So there it is, the Pro leather case from Elixir, and it looks incredibly premium. This actually might have taken my top spot for a favorite case in this video. Really like that, wraps around the sides nicely. Cut out there for the alert slider. You've got a sort of rubber piece extending the power button. Let's see if the camera works all right. All good. So that's an awesome case there. If you guys want to check this out, there'll be a link below this video. Alright, so check this one out. I actually opened it. I thought I was recording. It wasn't recording. I opened it. But yeah, this is one of the more expensive cases from Ringkey. They got 30 million customers. So this is one of the more popular brands out there. The ultimate experience. And what's interesting about this is they've got the military grade drop test certificate there on the front. So this should be very durable. Let's have a look what it looks like on the phone. So this one is the Ringkey Fusion X, and it looks really futuristic. It looks really awesome. You can even see a bit of that mirror finish off the back of the device through the clear plastic here. It's been tested very heavily for drops. So if this falls, there's a good chance it's going to protect your device. However, if it falls face down, then you're probably going to wish you had a screen protector. So it might be worth looking at the Sentinel screen protector I showed you earlier. You can buy that from Mobile Fun standalone. This is an awesome case. My personal favorite, as I mentioned, the level 1. Also like the Sentinel setup. Which one's your favorite? Let me know. And if you are a OnePlus 7 Pro owner, I'd love to know what your favorite feature is on the device. So leave that below this video. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you guys in the next one. Don't be late.
Give me a